Hey everyone, happy Cinco de Mayo. So today is Cinco de Mayo and these are my Cinco de Mayo nails. And I have wanted to do something very easy and quick versus a freestyle, freehand sombreros or mustaches, margaritas. I really wanted to do something with chili peppers and margaritas and the whatnot, but I just didn't have time, and in hindsight 2020 this really helped me to come up with a really festive design that looks really pretty and very detailed but somewhat different, and I've been getting a lot of compliments on them at work. And yeah, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay around. Like, share, subscribe. It really helps out a lot for nail art tutorials every week. I'm also changing my channel. I don't remember when I said I was going to, but I might as well just change it next week to Nails by Liz Buckland, and just keep an eye out for that. So we're going to start with the white base coat. After our base coat, just like a backdrop. So I'm just doing one coat because it's going to be covered up, and we're going to toss some glitter over it. So this part, I didn't like using the fan brush. I really liked using something like a nail pop stick or a different tool other than the fan brush. Like, I felt it was a little bit more messier. It's nicer and fun, but I feel like I didn't have as much control, so I didn't continue using the fan brush off camera. We're going to top coat Seche Vite to make sure that I did use a thick layer, so I want to make sure that it's all dry for the next step, which is the stamping portion of this nail art tutorial for Cinco de Mayo nails. We're going to use 4-03 Uber Chic plate. And we're going to figure out what colors to use. Start with red label on my thumb. I don't have stiletto nails anymore. I filed them down to like a ballerina nail shape for work, and I shortened them. I missed this length, but so everything stamped very well, almost too well. The edges seem to roll over onto the nail. I had to, but no biggie, just straighten it out and with yellow, pretty much the same image, we're just using different colors. The yellow is not going to show up as well, but up close you can see, and it's still pretty interesting, and it really adds to all the other colors. I even wanted to do a Mexican flag. Like, I think that was really cool image to sport on your nails, but I just didn't have the time, and I don't know. But like, this would be a lot better and easier. So maybe even using, you could go up a notch and outdo these by, let's say, using 2 colors. So like the green over the yellow would have looked a lot better, I think. Or like a blue over a red. So those would have been super colorful, a lot more colorful, but this kind of gave it a uniformity with the white and the gold glitter as a straight backdrop for every nail. And I really like how these turned out. They look like pieces of candy, just really fun and festive and cheerful. They stand out all on their own. You know, they scream, you know, like a festival of whatnot. So I really like them. And just top coated with Northern Lights to just going out with a bang here. We're gonna focus on colors and bling instead of, you know, the typical margarita nail. I'm gonna take some bokeh glitter. I call them bokeh glitter because they look like bokeh lights, all different shaped light glares, light circles that you find in photographs. So that's why I call them bokeh glitters. But we're gonna take different sizes of the red on the red portion, and we're just gonna use 2 accent nails since there's so much going on. I don't want to overdo it, but I think it just adds like something more without going any further. Like, this is maxed out. I wanted to put some crystals on, I always do, but I think this will do it. This turned out so cool. I thought about this at the last minute, that's why you didn't see the glitter in the beginning of the video. I really recommend getting these glitters from the Born Pretty website. I can link that down below if I have a chance. If not, you can go directly, just Google search Born Pretty and type in glitter or Born Pretty website, and you'll get to their website, and then they'll have all sorts of glitters that you can choose from. So on the yellow, I'm gonna choose the gold. And the gold glitters do have a hint of like holographic with the orange, green, yellow, red kind of effects, and I think that's pretty interesting. So just went out on a whim and went for it because it's only 1 nail in each hand. We're going for festive. So I really like these, so I'm gonna seal them in place using gel top coat. You can use a regular top coat. I'm using Mia's Secret High Shine Coat. And this is the final result. Yeah, pretty, very pretty. So, oh, sorry about that notification if you heard it. Those are the thumbs. I'll give you some close-ups. Don't forget to like, subscribe, you guys, and share my video. So in case if anybody else would be interested, they could watch it, if anything. And that lace is really pretty. So pretty. It looks like lace to me. Well, I hope you enjoy the pictures at the end, and I hope you all have a wonderful celebration and a great week ahead. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great one, okay? Bye.